do you say?
What are you opening, Annie? Who is it from? Who is it from, Annie? Annie, you have to read the tag to see who it's from.
It's from Grammy and Grandpa. You know what it is? You know what it is?
What?
It's a kindergarten jump.
Oh, not that big one.
What can we do? Bring in the... I can't see.
Can I see your baby? Can I see your baby? Oh, Linda.
You want me to help you with this?
Explore it over there.
She knows this.
And see this?
Where's the teeth?
These can.
It opens up, I think.
Oh, this looks like a cup.
Let me show you.
Here's a cup too. Here's a cup too. So like you can turn it into a cup.
Here's the
Wait a
deck.
minute, I don't want to break it, honey. Somehow.
No, that doesn't. No, that's.
I know, but
Does anyone see my coffee cup?
Somebody come and see.
Is that it? Good, Phil?
Hey, what's
That
going
next
on,
to
huh?
you? Is this it?
No, that's next door.
that's their
That's
driveway.
next door?
Yeah. My driveway's over.
Oh, I thought that was yours.
Marie, give that to your baby.
Are you kidding?
What are those made out of?
It's plastic.
Oh, it's down in there.
Well, you guys still have a lot of packages to deliver. Let's see. I wonder.
Joni, you gonna be upset if you're on TV the whole time?
Oh, geez, am I right to light a fire?
John's hidden. I can't get him.
Think
He's
this
hiding
is.
behind the wall and behind the...
What in the world's in there?
Who's that from?
Oh,
Wow. A real
boy.
baby doll.
Oh, a real dog.
Wait a minute, she's probably tied him too.
Yeah.
It's not this pink one.
No, it's a